60, £56. Not quite sure who it is yet. Again, perfect condition. Right, a bit of raring to go. Let's go. 2 in 1 day. Bumpy, £58. Another one in absolutely pristine condition. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, just can't keep hold of them at the moment. Totally ready to go back. This is Gordon at £72. Proper chuffed. You still videoing?
Yep.
I'll let him go this time, yeah?
Right.
Beast. Oh. Calm down. Calm down. £72. Lovely. Back he goes. You see, they're all fighting to get back. Happy days. Lovely little leather carp, £27. Probably one that's been out before, but there isn't a single scale on it. It is 100% a leather. Lovely little thing. Off he goes. Well, that's messed up my average. It was £62, so it's going to be down massively now. Happy with any fish though. I've got Doris in the mat here, £61, which is £3 up on her best weight, and another 60 for Echo Paul. One of my favourite fish this, it's named after my late grandmother. Beautiful scale patterns on it. There it is, £61. Absolutely beautiful fish. The scales on it. Thanks, Doris. Oh, I'm not catching monsters today. I've just caught this lovely little thing at £32. Now, fish like this is just as important to Tasha and myself, because this is our future, and these are fish that have grown up since we've owned the property. It fought like a nutter, so it's probably going to misbehave for its photos. So £32, pristine little common, lovely fish. Let's get the other side. This really is a mint condition little carp. I'm so happy with that, really am. Back you go then, darling. I literally just got out of the lake, took the waders off, and my right hand rod's ripped off. On the end of it was my favourite fish, which is Barrel. Going to quickly get him back because he's got some very bad tail damage, which is very concerning. It's all actually healed up, and he's £74, so no problems with his weight or anything, but that almost looks like it's been done with scissors. Terrible. Not happy about that. Anyway, let's get him back in. There it is, my favourite fish barrel, £74. Really happy to have caught him, obviously gutted about his tail.